Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to your Coinbase account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, while you're trying to transfer cryptos, you need to make sure that you already have a wallet address, or you need to copy the wallet address of the recipient. Since we are transferring into our Coinbase accounts, we'll need to log into a Coinbase account. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, in the top right corner, you'll be able to see an option as send/receive. You need to click on it. Right in center, a pop-up will appear as we are receiving the cryptos, so you need to click on receive, and after that you need to select the asset that you want to receive. Once you're done selecting the asset, you'll need to copy the wallet address. As soon as you're done copying the wallet address, log into your crypto.com. Once you're logged into your crypto.com, next interface you need to click on transfer in the top right. As soon as you tap on transfer, a drop down menu will appear, and from there you need to click on withdraw. Next interface you need to tap on crypto. Next page you need to select external wallet, and as you click on external wallet, you'll need to click on Coinbase. After that, as you click on Coinbase, now you need to enter the wallet address right over here, and you'll also need to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer. Once you're done providing all of the information, tap on confirm address, which is right at the bottom. So once again, for the verification, you need to recheck all of the information provided, and if you're sure about the information, then tap on confirm, and after that you'll be notified that you have successfully transferred cryptos from crypto.com to your Coinbase account. So in order to receive your transaction, it might take some time, so you need to wait patiently. So that is how you can transfer crypto from your crypto.com to your Coinbase account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.